Nestled amidst the serene forests near Tapalpa, Open Valley House is a harmonious blend of architecture and nature. Designed by RAVSTUDIO, the cottage is a linear structure that seamlessly integrates into the surrounding landscape. Its placement respects the existing trees, ensuring a symbiotic relationship between the built and natural environments. A central piece of furniture, mimicking the linear form of the house, acts as a focal point, accommodating the kitchen, fireplace, and books. This element helps to define the functional areas while also contributing to the overall aesthetic. The use of wood and stone throughout the house creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, with the materials contrasting beautifully to highlight the architectural elements. The interior of the house is divided into two distinct zones, the social area and the bedroom area. The social space, encompassing the kitchen, dining room, and living room, is characterized by its expansive visual opening. The design encourages collective activities, with the carpentry serving as a unifying element. The bedrooms, situated at a higher level, offer greater privacy, thanks to strategically placed windows that control the amount of natural light and views. The structure of Open Valley House is a hybrid of traditional and prefabricated methods, combining efficiency with a sense of warmth. Steel columns and beams accentuate the project's linearity, while the interplay of materials adds visual interest. The careful integration of these elements results in a harmonious and visually appealing structure that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. And there you have it, folks. A stunning example of modern architecture in harmony with nature. Open Valley House by RAVSTUDIO is a testament to the beauty and functionality of design. From the spacious living areas to the serene bedrooms, this home offers the perfect blend of comfort and tranquility. If you're inspired by this architectural masterpiece, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible design content. And don't forget to check out RAVSTUDIO for more of their amazing work. Thanks for watching.